So guys, this is the reception area of this resort, that is Coffee County. Beautiful, isn't it? So you go like this. This is completely coffee plantation. See, this is the reception. Hey friends, I'm going to show you today. I'm in Coffee County in Wayanad. So I'm going to show you how the Wayanad, the resort looks like, and you would be able to see this resort. And if you would like to come here, you can come. So well, today the series of mine is in regards to the trip to Wayanad. So I'll just show you how the rooms looks like. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. Hi friends, it's beautifully raining. I'm going to show you another cottage in my video. I've already have shown you one. This is another kind of cottage in the same Coffee County, and you can see from out this is how it looks. You'll just get in. It's not no much steps, and then there's a beautiful, door which you can see, and it's beautifully done. It's very nice. And hi, come on, I'll show you the cottage. See how it looks. So guys, see, this is the cottage area where I was staying, one of the cottages, and just going to show you how it looks. You can see it's beautiful. From there we have in my video you'd have seen we have pool inside, facing pool we have. attached to the cottage. Apart from that, in the villas or the resort here, they have you know a common pool as well, which you can see here. It's beautiful. Here also, if you want to come and sit, chill out with friends, you can do that. So I'll take you there as well. See, so this is how you go. So there is a pathway for each cottages like this, and you can see, and this will lead you to pool area, pool side. So you can go and sit there. They have put some chairs and things like that, so you can chill out, enjoy your time out near the pool as well. So hi friends, a very good morning and a beautiful day here in Coffee County, and I hope you will see my video and enjoy this resort which is out here. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks and what's the background of it, so that you will cherish this place if you come to this county, so that if you choose to come here, you can also enjoy like how we are. So I'm just going by. I'll just show you how it looks like. See, this is one more passage where I'm going to cross, and I'm heading towards the lunch area, wherein I'm going to have my lunch. So this is another place where you have chess and things like that, where you can go in. I'll just show you how it looks. It's above the reception. Below is the reception, and then the top. From this area you can see chess and things like that. Can you see that? People can sit down here, and you can even have caroms and things like that. And then from here, even you can have all these games, and if you come with the family and friends and kids, so that then it goes like this. So isn't it beautiful? So I'm going to show you all this, and now I'm heading towards the lunch banquet, where we'll have our lunch or breakfast or dinner. So this is a place which is heading towards that area. So I'm just going to show you that. So as I said, this is a passage for going for breakfast. So it's morning, so I'm just taking you towards the breakfast area, how it looks. And see, here they have mentioned what are the cottages. You have tree houses, cottages, swimming pool and things like that. So for going towards the tree house, you have to go via this way, and this is a beautiful coffee plantation, you can see. Then that's how it goes. Here they have a coffee shop like this, wherein you can take your water, coffee, snacks, cookies and things like that. So this is a place for that. Okay.
അവര് ഇതിനകത്ത് ബീൻസ് ഇടും.
ഓക്കെ.
ബീൻസ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെ കറക്കും.
ഓക്കെ.
അപ്പോൾ പൗഡറായിട്ട് താഴെ ഇതുണ്ട ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്തേക്ക് പൗഡറായിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ വീഴുക.
ഓഹോ. ഓക്കെ.
ഇതാണ്
ഒരു കോഫി
പൗഡർ. അന്ന് പൗഡറാക്കിയിരുന്നത്. എന്നിട്ട് ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഫിൽറ്ററാക്കി ഫിൽറ്റർ കോഫി ആക്കിയിട്ടാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുക.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. So guys, this is one of the British time coffee machine, if you can see. So unique, which you would not find it anywhere else. You'll only find it in Coffee County, and they are still maintaining this heritage here. So you can see this, how beautiful it looks like. So has the manager here was briefing you how it works, and they just do it through the hand. So they just put some bean above, and through the hand they grind it, and they just use it in that cup which falls down, and then they just use it. That's how it goes. So beautiful, isn't it? So you've learned something new today after coming to Coffee County, isn't it? So well, I'll be sharing such videos to you coming days as well. So guys, so well, I'm going to take a video again and show you around this place, so that you cherish this place along with me. So I had my breakfast. Now I'm heading towards my cottage. um, it's called Safari, and there are different cottages, and that's how it's been bifurcated. You have another path to go like this. See, they have put boards like this. I'll just show it to you. So you can see here, like tree house. So you can go for a tree house if you're. See, this is another place we can climb up if you want to see the terrain. This is another capture, and you can go up and stand and see the complete mountains here. So if you want, then they have put. So guys, so another day. I hope all of you are doing great, and I had a great time in Wayanad in Coffee County, and I hope you all also come here, enjoy the nice moment with the nature. It's beautiful with the nature. It's this resort. So somebody who love nature, somebody who wants silence, somebody who want to cherish the good moments with the family and friends, you can come down here. And guys, do subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for all of you to subscribe so that you can see me and the different places, and I will be briefing you guys to my maximum extent if I can brief. And if you like it, please do give comments, and if you don't want me to explain, I will not. So but I wish all of you come and subscribe my channel, okay? Deepa Sajat Trips. And so well, this is, I'm checking out today, and just coming out from this place. See how it was beautiful, isn't it? So well, so love you all, and catch you up once again in another video of mine, okay? Bye, see you. So guys, this is the exit. So this is the path where we exit from the Coffee County. So you can see how beautiful it is. Very small path, because it's like internal, and it's interior in fact, towards the forest terrain. So that's why this is a stretch for exit from this place. So you can see in my video how beautiful it looks. And after that, once you can see the surrounding, it's a coffee estate. After coffee estate, you will see the tea estate starts after that. So this is a tea estate which starts. We were staying in a coffee county, means completely we had a coffee plants, and now here it starts with tea plantation, and it's so surrounded with tea plantation, and it's so beautiful. Can you see how it looks like? And looks beautiful. And once we come out of tea plantation, we hit the national highway. That's how it goes. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing my video. I'll catch up.